So actually, we'll start with details since that's the easiest. And this I did not leave out, but I'll show you the process of just adding it, changing it. This is the name that appears on the front of the tour. And we got here just by clicking the details tab. You can change the presented by. So if this was an agent's name, you could put that here. If the agent had a phone number they wanted to appear, you would put that there. Their email address. This could also be a brokerage name, and you could put the agent's name here. And then their website. And then you can choose to display the full address. You can choose to display none. And I usually just keep it on the full address.
And just for clarification, for the display of the full address, that's at that very beginning splash screen that's right above the play button.
This one, no. Nope. That would be here.
Here, okay.
Yeah.
So how did you control what was the name at the beginning on the splash screen?
Right here.
Okay.
Yeah. So for this purpose, I just called it Pro 2 and then unedited. And that tells me that I shot it with the Pro 2 and this is the unedited tour. You can also put internal notes just for yourself. So I put down here Pro 2 camera.
Okay.
You can put keywords in, so hashtags, and this says that it will help your public space rank well in search results. So you want to include keywords that are descriptive. I typically don't put keywords in for residential listings, but I will do it sometimes for the commercial spaces. We can put MLS information. I've never actually used this, so I wouldn't probably be the best to speak on it, but here it says you can put MLS name, MLS listing ID. Down here, you can enable or disable VR sharing. So if somebody had a VR headset, they could put it on and see the space differently than looking at it on a screen or a device.
So that the VR sharing, that was the icon that we saw in the bottom right that looked like a little Google Cardboard symbol.
Correct. Right
That's
here.
that. So you've enabled view in VR, view in virtual reality, meaning those goggles.
Correct.
Okay. And
then allow social sharing, which is that sharing button on the bottom right. I have it enabled.
Okay. Can you that's an interesting thing, and it's very subtle. You've accepted default, and I want to say that someplace else in settings are all the default settings so that you can set up what are the default settings for you. Yep.
Right.